Okay, we have here now something for the chickens. Let's open and see what is this. Okay, now I've opened it and let's see what is here. Okey-doke. Oh, what is this? Chicken squits to help control loose stools in poultry and other birds. Oh, that's a kind of natural medication. Farm and yard medics. Wales. Oh, that's made in the Wales. That's what I'm happy. Herbal remedies for animals, 100% natural. LL53 is a postcode. 6DJ. So, oh, beautiful Welsh dragon. Made in Wales, and that's for poultry. So I think it stops the diarrhea in the animals and just makes them, you know, having a more healthy, less runny. So how you do? Add drops to drinker daily, 30 drops per 100 milliliter of water. Okey-doke. So that's a lovely medicine for the chickens. Now we are going to use it. Chicken squits. It's from the Farm and Yard Remedies. 50 milliliter. And just to mention, the price of this is $7.49, so it's really good value for money. It lasts a long time. Every milliliter is around 30 drops, so 30 drops you use every time. It may last 50 times of watering, and during that time, probably after 5 times, it just you know, the condition is improved and they will not have diarrhea. So hopefully we'll enjoy, our chickens will enjoy that also. We will be happy, our chickens are healthy. And when I was making this, the chicken in question came. Toto. We had it from when she was from an egg. Yeah. It's a house chicken. Toto, you want to go back? No? That was not for you, by the way. That was for Minnie.
Do you want a roller grape? Do you want a grape?
Oh, give her a roller grape. We roller grape, she knows grapes. The word grapes she knows. G word we even say, she knows that.
She likes grapes. I can get grapes.
Picking on the mom.
It's on my feet.
Oh God. Picking on my wife. Be careful.
Come on then, another one. There she goes.
Ooh.
Oh, that's
Roller
it now.
grape.
That's it.
Reason they got diarrhea in the first place. Roller grape.
She's asking me for more. No. No more. You'll get diarrhea again.